The iPhone 15 Pro Max could have an ultra-powerful zoom to take on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In fact, the Pro Max is tipped to get an exclusive lens the regular iPhone 15 Pro will likely lack. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. The benefit of a periscope zoom lens is that it uses folded optics to reflect light onto the lens, increasing the zoom power without increasing the size of the camera. So, conceivably, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could have a smaller camera bump than the regular iPhone 15 Pro while offering a longer zoom range. The other rumor we've heard recently is that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will offer a variable zoom lens, which would give you a choice of zoom levels within a single lens. By contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra features two telephoto zoom lenses of 3x and 10x. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has reported that at least one of the iPhone models coming in 2023 will feature a periscope lens Superscript 1, and MacRumors also reports that Apple will likely bring on a second supplier for the component. This suggests that Apple is betting big on its periscope lens for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We told you recently that Largon Precision was going to be the main supplier of the periscope zoom for Apple's flagship. But now DG Times reports that Genius Electronic Optical (GSEO) will be an additional supplier of the module. Apple appears to be optimistic about the sales of their new iPhone 15 Pro Max, as they have decided to add a second supplier. CEO Tim Cook recently commented that people are willing to really stretch to get the best they can afford based on the iPhone sales that Apple has seen. The regular iPhone 15 Pro is expected to feature a titanium design that is both lightweight and durable, as well as a powerful A17 Bionic chip. These features are expected to be shared with the Pro Max, and have the potential to outperform any Android phone. We've also heard that the iPhone 15 Pro series could offer a new action button that replaces the ringer switch, one that could offer all sorts of shortcuts. However, it looks like the rumored solid-state volume controls could be nixed due. Apple does indeed reserve the periscope zoom for the iPhone 15 Pro Max only, it will likely draw a lot of attention and sway many early adopters towards Apple's top-end flagship. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.